Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How we all doing? Hope we are good, we are fine. So guys, in today's video is how to make vegetable soup. So I'm going to show you how to make your delicious Nigerian vegetable soup. So here is what the things I'm going to use in making my vegetable soup. So here is our vegetable. I'm using spinach, frozen spinach. I'm going to slice it later. You can use pumpkin leaf. So here is my meat. I've steamed it very well. I'm using beef and chicken in making this vegetable soup. So here is our red oil that we are using, and here is pepper, salt, onion, maggi and crayfish, and dry fish and stockfish that I'm going to use in making this delicious vegetable soup. So I'm going to take a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons of gino. You can use any tin tomato of your choice. You can use fresh tomato, depends on you, and you can also use fresh pepper in making this. I don't have fresh pepper, so I'm making use of what I have. Okay, so keep on watching. Thank you for my old time subscribers and my new ones. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for supporting us. Okay, our oil is okay, so I'm adding salt, adding the chopped onion. So I'm going to stir it. So I like to so I'm adding our onion, all of it. So you allow it for 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm adding the gino tomato. So now I'm going to stir. Stir proper. So I'm going to cover it now for some time. So I'm going to cover it for some time now. So guys, I'm going to add our this. So now I've add our meat and our dry. So guys, now I've add our meat and our stock together, and our dry fish and stockfish together. So I'm going to allow it to boil very well before adding other things. Okay, keep on watching guys. So guys, let's stir our soup now. So guys, oh, this is our soup. So I'm going to add crayfish now. I'm going to add crayfish, pepper, so So I'll stir and add small water, because you know this is frozen spinach, so we cannot add a lot of water. It's not good, so that our soup will not be too watery. So I'm going to add water now and salt. So guys, I want to add Maggi to taste, salt, and add a little bit of water. And our vegetable. So I'm going to stir proper now. So let's check our soup. So guys, our vegetable is ready.